Title: The Transformation of Copper and Light into a Living Hologram. Scene 1. Introduction: The Medium. Visual: a transparent cube filled with chilled copper-infused liquid, mist curling off its surface in slow motion. Narration: inside this suspended medium, a chilled copper-infused solution, the stage is set, not just for reflection, but for induction of memory, form, and electricity. Scene 2. Laser activation, holographic etching. Visual: a precision laser passes through the cube, scattering into interference patterns as it hits microscopic particles. Narration: a laser enters its path distorted by chilled ions and conductive copper. In this cold matrix, ice nucleation initiates, but not random. Structured, directed. The laser etches a 3D map every cell, every synapse replicated in pure light. Scene 3. Hologram stabilization, structure emerges. Visual: the internal structure of the cube begins to glow faintly, a holographic figure materializing layer by layer. Narration: holography emerges not as illusion but as crystallized instruction. A cold memory. Each point of interference encodes depth. Ice stabilizes it. Copper amplifies it. Scene 4. Magnetism interface. Awakening the image. Visual: a soft pulse of magnetic current passes through the cube, causing light to shimmer in motion. Narration: electricity follows. A magnetic pulse interfaces with the structure. The hologram shifts, not just projected but responsive, thought-like, alive in a cold, conductive skin. Scene 5. Evaporation of medium. The structure remains. Visual: the cube melts, steam rises, yet the light-formed body remains floating in air, bound by memory fields. Narration: the liquid evaporates, but the pattern holds. A memory fossil. A ghost suspended in electromagnetic equilibrium. Ice was only the cocoon. The image is the butterfly. Scene 6. Final insight: holographic blueprint of life. Visual: zoom into the neural-like patterns of the light-formed image, similar to a brain scan or galactic web. Narration: inside each point, galaxies, neurons, thunderstorms. The structure of thought mirrored in the structure of weather, of stars, of self. Ice nucleation wasn't just a reaction. It was the blueprint activating magnetism into mind. Closing shot. Visual: the floating hologram dissolves into a swirl of particles, forming the shape of an eye, then fading into black. Text overlay: cold is not the absence of life, it's the memory of it.